Hello, my name is Ederson Oliveira and I'll be presenting this video for DotNetNuke.com, and in this video I'll be showing how you can set up DotNetNuke so that non-administrators users will be able to add modules to pages as well. So here's exactly what I'm talking about. Let's log into the site as host. And first I want to show that I have created a group of users and a user inside this group as well. So I have created a user group called editor, and I have created one user inside the editors group, which is called John. So I have set up John under the editors group. So my intention is that John should be able to go to the home page and add modules to the home page as well. But here's the type of permission that John has right now. So if I log out from the website, if I try to log back in, and if I try to log back in as John, here's what I see. I just have a regular access to the website. I have nothing special. So let's log out. Let's log back in as host. And I'm going to the home page and I'm going to edit. Now, if I edit, what I'll be doing here is I'll be setting up the editor group as having added access to the home page. So again, the editor group, which John belongs to it, will have edit page access to the home page. So let's update this and let's have a look again how the type of permission that John has now. So let's log in as John again. And now in the home page, John can update the content of the different areas on the home page. But if I go back to the home page and if I look at the top, I will see that the module drop down is disabled. So John, even though he has access to manage the content of existing modules in the homepage, but John cannot add more modules to the homepage because he does not have that kind of access yet. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to log out from here. We're going to log back in as host again. And from here, what we have to do to give John access to add more modules to the home page or to any page that editors have added permission is we have to go to the admin menu, then let's go to the extensions menu, and then under extensions I have to choose which modules I want to give John access to add to the page that he has access. So for instance, if I want to allow them to have access to add HTML module to the home page, then I can go to the HTML module entry. I can click on edit this extension. I can scroll all the way, and I can say that that the editor group will have deploy access to the HTML module. So I have just checked the deploy module option under the editor, and I'm going to scroll all the way down, and I will click on, it's right here. I will click on update desktop module. Once I click there, I'm assuming that it has saved. No message was given to me, but assuming everything is okay. So I'm just gonna cancel that to go back. I'm just gonna double check this. I'm gonna click on edit again. Yes, so editor is checked here. So here's what I'm gonna do now. I'm still logged in as host. I'm gonna log out. I'm gonna log back in as John. And hopefully now John will have access to add HTML text module. So I'm back in the home page. I'm logging as John now. And as you can see at the top where it says module, now I can see the HTML module there and I can click on it. I can add, let's say, to the left pane. So now I can edit this content. This is my new content. And I can save this. So again, I'm doing that logged in as John, because now John has access to add HTML modules. Now we can expand that, and you can say that the editor group will have access to add more different types of modules. So I can log out, I can log back in as host, and I can go back to the admin extensions, and I can choose more modules. Like, let's say that I want to give the editors access to add iframe modules. So I can go to the iframe module, I can select editor, I can click update desktop module, I can click on cancel, and it goes back. And I can select, I can say that they also have access to add, let's say, Google Analytics as well. So actually, let's not do this with Google Analytics. Let's say that we have, okay, banners. So let's add banners as well. So under banners, editor, deploy module, update desktop module, cancel. Now if I log out, log back in as John, he should have access. Oh, I'm getting this password wrong. Okay, so let's go back to the home page. Now in the home page, I can see the drop down: banners, HTML, and iframe, which are the three modules that I have given deploy access to the editor group, which John belongs to. So basically this is it. This is how we can go about giving add module access to non-administrators users in .NET Nuke. Thank you very much. Bye for now.